Are you looking to become a digital marketing expert and take your career to the next level? Look no further than Udemy's top instructor, Dekker Fraser, and his comprehensive course on digital marketing mastery. With over 20 hours of content and practical exercises, you'll gain the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in today's fast-paced online marketplace. Dekker Fraser brings a wealth of experience to the table, with a 4.5 instructor rating, 9,635 reviews, and over 239,467 students. He's worked as a global product marketing and brand manager for Sony PlayStation, as well as in senior marketing roles for Google-backed startups and other companies. In this course, you'll learn everything from social media marketing to SEO and email marketing, and gain expertise in platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more. Whether you're looking to generate more leads, sell more products, or grow your brand, Dekker Fraser's course on digital marketing mastery has you covered. Enroll today on Udemy and start your journey towards becoming a digital marketing expert. Get your free preview now and see for yourself why this is the best digital marketing course on Udemy.
Hello Udemy student, my name is Dekker. I am the #1 ranked product marketing instructor on Udemy, and I'm here to reveal the secrets of the top 1% of marketers in the world. I was a vice president of marketing for Google Accelerator startup. I was a global marketing manager for Sony PlayStation, and I have an MBA from the #1 ranked marketing school in the world, Philip Kotler's Kellogg School of Management. I want you to check out my marketing courses on Udemy so you too can join the top 1% of marketers in the world. Again, my name is Dekker, and I look forward to seeing you on Udemy.